What's up, YouTube? What's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy Sauce Boss back in the building again. Guessed it, with another dope project. Yeah, give yourself a hand. I want you to give yourself a hand if you subscribe to the channel. Give yourself a hand. If you subscribe to the channel and you hit that post notification bell so you can stay locked in to the latest and greatest things I'm doing on this channel here, man. For sure, because you need to stay locked in with all this fashion, because you know, not look like it right now, but your boy do have all the drip. For sure. Okay then? I can't put on the drip when I'm recording and I'm actually sewing. That's afterwards, you know what I'm saying? I can actually put on all the drip, but right now when I'm at work and I'm actually getting it in, this is what you're gonna see me in, okay? So just know, this is what you're gonna see me in, okay? So you ain't gonna see a lot of drip right now, but afterwards, you'll get all that. But hey, today, I'm doing these crazy pants. They're gonna be, I think I'm gonna do like a jogging style, flare bottom, jean kind of style, pants. I think I'm gonna do something like that. You know what I'm saying? I got it in my head. It ain't gonna really come out till I get to the table. So man, what we need to do is get over to the table of greatness and make some greatness happen. And I want you to see how I actually make this masterpiece. If it's gonna be a hit or it's gonna be a miss, you'll let me know in the comments below, okay? And then you let me know if I did it or if I didn't, if I stole the show, whatever. But I'm gonna give it my all, and my all better be good enough. Okay, let's get to going. Let's go. I did forget to mention that this is going to be a whole outfit, pants and shirt combo, and I'm just going to show you how I actually do this and how I create this. Right now I am drawing out the panel pieces and cutting out the panel pieces for the shirt. You have to pay attention how to do this because you will get lost in this sauce if you're not the boss. I better start rhyming. But anyway, you have to number each panel piece front and back so you don't get nothing like mixed up. So just watch what I do and hopefully it come out good for you. So now that I got my pattern pieces all cut out, I am now cutting out the fabric pieces that I want in the jean fabric, and then I'm going to cut out the other panel pieces that I want in the leather fabric, and then I will have to put them all together, sew them and connect them, and then you'll see that a little later on in the video. But right now this is what I'm doing. I'm just showing you, and like I said, make sure everything is numbered because you do not want to get any of this mixed up, because you will never get this back together, because it's going to look like confetti straight up. So just stay tuned. All I'm doing here is doing an applique on this, and I'm doing a little embroidery. If you don't know what applique is, just drop me a comment below and I can actually make a video and actually show you how I get these results on my garments. So now that I'm done with the embroidery on one of these pieces, I'm actually showing you, but this is all the pieces front and back that I'm going to have to actually put all back together. I know you're looking at this look like some confetti. I don't know what he's going to do and how he's going to get it done, but I am going to get it done and make it one whole shirt. just want to show you how one panel piece look, and I have 3 more to put together, and I have to sew all 4 pieces together and then make one shirt. But this is how one side look. I'm just wanted to, so you can see how it's coming along so far. These are the pants that I am showing you now. I already installed the front pockets. This is what they look like, and let's just keep rocking and rolling. All right. So I have installed the piping down the pants leg on both sides. I got it all pinned together, just ready to get sewn together so I can make this all one piece. I am gonna actually make an insertion in the bottom of the pants leg so it can have a flare style at the bottom. Add a little bit of that. I don't know if I'm gonna show you that, but you'll be able to see it later on in the video when I actually get it done. But right now I have to do this, and I forgot to tell you about this. I had to de-stress the whole entire outfit, pants and shirt, so it was all distressed by me. So the project is done. Let's see how it turned out. Hopefully that you really love it, because I know I love it. If it came out good, comment below. Let your boy know, did I steal the show, or that's a big fat no. Okay, then let's get into it.
Wake up to the, wow. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Wow. Get just hit that mirror for that fit check. Drip coming down the waist, that back don't get wet. Daddy, you gotta chill, that's what my kids say. Daddy been paying bills, my pockets bending. Ben Franklin's. I get money, then get low, see what you thinking. Orange label in my hand, guess what I'm drinking. Ever since I dropped top speed, my line's been janking. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Yeah, I was with the grease, I was with the grit. Yeah, leave you out to freeze if you're not legit. No. Tried to call my bluff, I was stacking chips. She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose, make it work. Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose, make it work. Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl. Do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10 or better, tell her strike a pose. She don't switch positions and she plays the role. Hit up the salon, she gets her nails and toes. Hair done, neck, wrist, hands froze. She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Strike a pose, girl, strike a pose, girl. I could spend it on you, freeze you up, you cold, girl. Put you in positions, curling up your toes, girl. Even when I'm gone, I only want you close, girl. If I win, she win. We count the meals together. If it's real, it's real. This'll be forever. If it's hot or cold, get through any weather. If it's all I know, together we're better. She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Yeah, ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. Look, it's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it, yeah. Life been lit just how I want it, yeah, yeah. Now she talking like she want me, yeah. Ayy, wave. Look, life been lit just how I want it.
Fuck, I look like stressing. I be finessing. Dolo in my section. Built like a blessing. Fuck, I look like stressing. I be finessing. Got my muscle flexing. My money stretching.
Yeah, ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. It's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it.
Big bands like a main event. Already paid the rent. Feeling like winning my favorite shit. Boy, I was made for this. Flex mode on gym rat. I been that young legend, oh. Them boys can't fuck with it. I ain't shy, I'ma let them know. All of my bitches be multiples of 10. I'm fed to win, All of my niggas be comfortable with sins from his to gin, Niggas be hating because I been ballin' and they gotta ride the bench again. Ain't gotta wonder, I know when she callin' that she tryna ride that dick again. Keep it a C note. Niggas is D-League, they could be more. I brought the A game, gripping them B cups by the seashore. Filling up my rubber band, 100 band, I need that. Big dog, no small bark, I'm cool on your feedback.
Yeah, ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. Look, it's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it.
Fuck, I look like stressing. I be finessing.
Yeah.
Dolo in my section.
Ayy,
built like a blessing.
in that
Fuck,
T.
I look like stressing.
Wave, life been going how I
Got
want
my
it.
muscle flexing.
Okay. Mahogany tint on the skin. I feel like a 10 out of 10. If you hearing it, got in the plan. If not, then somebody been watching the kid. I made it out of a jam. I got some ribbons in front of me blocking you stuck watching life in the stands. I know that you sick, the drink got me thin, I won't fold under pressure. I'm young and I'm reckless, I'm all the way in it. You see that I'm more than expected. My mind is a treasure, I get it. Deposit come from overseas. My coin up, I'm the bag boy, yeah, I tote bread for the sound click. Pretty thing, quick to crack a smile for me, yeah, I gave it that joystick. Dab at the pen with no manners, before then I'm copping a mo with the palace. I'm out of the street, the shit been legit. I used to be broke, I'm up a few chips, you can tell by the drip. Ain't nobody telling me shit. Won't smile for the flick, you know what it is. Ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. It's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it. Life been lit just how I want it. Yeah, yeah. Now she talking like she want me. Yeah, ayy.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Man, that is a crazy design. I really think one of these big fashion houses need to go ahead and bring your boy on. You know what I'm saying? They didn't booted Kanye out. They need to go and bring your boy on to one of these big fashion houses right now. Let me feel the seat of Virgil. Let me get in there. Let me just show you what I really got. Please. please give me that chance. Cause boy, I'm gonna blow the roof off this boy. Yeah, let your boy in there. For real. You see you see that sauce that I'm coming out with? Do you see the sauce that I'm coming up with? I guess that's why they call me Sauce Boss. It makes sense now, don't it? Yeah. But if you like it, comment below. If you didn't like it, comment below. Let your boy know. That's all I want to do. I want to hear from you. Let your boy know. If I'm doing a good job, let me know. And I'm thinking about starting the OnlyFans for Soren to really get into it. Because right now I'm more just showing you like just the creations that I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really like getting into it of the cuts and the measurements and everything like that. But if you really think that I should get an OnlyFans or something like that, let me know. If I get enough people to ask me, I'll start that up for you, and I'll be taking people on. So I take you under my wing. I'm gonna take you under my wing on this fashion designer journey that we can get this thing popping together. So, like I say always about this time, never stop striving, never stop dreaming, never stop designing. It's your boy Sauce Boss. Until the next time, you know I'm out. Rah!